I very much appreciate the graphic output. I don't know a one-word way of describing that. In the past, we did it with Excel. It wasn't easily accessible to the entire team. So from my standpoint, it's being able to have that data readily available at a team level where the interface is friendly enough for everybody to engage with it. I'd say our main pain point in our PM software, because we were using a synced file sharing, if one team member made an error, it would obviously replicate to anyone else who's opening the file because it auto-saved. My hope for AI and bond planning has a lot to do with taking historic data and looking at how we can compare the various project types that we have, that we've got small elementary school renos, larger high school renos, or even new construction builds. Each one of those has different implications on how your finances are allocated, and beginning to look at historic trends on those and looking those for bond planning and forecasting. Also potentially looking at how we arrange our bond plan on which timeframes projects roll out. I like being able to both track the budgeting as well as the actual invoices. But I consider it a good depository for record keeping. Being able to look at how we're spending within a package instead of just at individual projects has been very beneficial for us on managing our workflow.